Welcome to the Dabur Honey Purity Trail. Let me show you how Dabur brings the purest honey from the hive to your home. The journey starts at a bee farm where honeybees collect pure raw honey inside these bee boxes. Thousands of trained beekeepers extract honey from these bee boxes using a centrifugal extractor and send it to collection centers in sealed containers. Welcome to the Dabur Honey factory in Himachal, which is US FDA registered and equipped with state-of-the-art facilities. Let's see how Dabur delivers its promise of the purest honey from farm to fork. Here, raw honey received from collection centers undergoes organoleptic testing for first-level conformance to Dabur standards. After first-level testing, every batch of honey passes through 100+ quality tests as per 22 mandatory parameters specified by FSSAI, which pass all tests as per stringent quality control standards of Dabur are then moved into the manufacturing unit. Raw honey is filtered through a 5-stage filtration process to remove any kind of material impurities or dust particles. Filtered honey is then stored in large tanks before moving into the packaging unit. Honey is then filled in sterilized glass bottles, capped using an induction vat sealer and capping machine, and then labeled as per batch coding guidelines. This entire process is completely automated without any intervention of human hand, thereby ensuring 100% purity guarantee. Every finished good batch of Dabur honey again undergoes FSSAI testing to ensure quality adherence before shipping out from the factory. Hope you enjoyed this virtual tour of Dabur Honey's journey from bee to bottle. We value your trust, which makes Dabur Honey the world's #1 honey brand. We are committed to the health and well-being of all consumers.